Hello everyone, Mike here, and today I am doing something that feels kind of nostalgic. I've mentioned in the past that my introduction to Ange Katrina was the video where she didn't realize she was streaming and was making random mouth noises and eating a hamburger, and it was that video that made me a fan of her, and she is still my favorite Niji Sanji girl. Well, video posted recently entitled Ange Katrina makes random noises and gets very unlucky in Mario Kart. That sounds like a winner to me. I love the idea of getting to hear her just make random mouth noises again. And I always get a kick out of VTubers playing Mario Kart. It's always entertaining. So let's get in here and see what we get this time. Play. So she's trying around without actually speaking. Well, oh, so hence the mouth noises. I like how she's turning her body as she turns the vehicle. I think I've done that though, so I can't really. See, the worst part is I can't see. Was she first? I can't tell because I can't see the thing. I think she was first. Internal suffering. Poor Deskun. Apparently she's a fan of Gura. Oh no! You can do it, Ange! You can do it! You can do it, my news co-anchor! And yes, I do have another Niji News video in the works. It's just finished scripting, so I'll be filming that soon. Uh-oh! Shy guys! Oh! Oh! Turn around, turn around! You can do it! 12th. Ah, you go the wrong way! Is she? No, I guess she wasn't. Never mind. I was wrong. Ooh. Yeah, it looked like it. I agree. It looked like you were starting to go the wrong way, but apparently you weren't. I don't know. You got first place at least once. Just the noise is coming out of her. Thanks for the visual representation. Ah! As long as she got last, it's a win. It's okay. It's okay, Ange. It'll be okay. Were you last? Well, you weren't last, so it's a win. this outro bit's a little long. Okay, there we go. That was actually kind of long. This is why Ange is my favorite. She is adorable. Just the random noises that she makes while she's playing. And I also find it kind of funny. You can tell she's getting angry, but her voice doesn't really change pitch that much. You can definitely get the anger out of her. It's not like, it's completely emotionless or anything, but her voice doesn't change pitch. But yeah, I love Ange. She's adorable. She is by far my favorite from the Jisanji. All right, that's all I've got on this one. So until next time, thanks for being part of my geek world.